Many times in gardening, you hear somebody talking about a zone. And actually that zone refers to a temperature that a plant will survive. You may have heard that in the Willamette Valley, it is zone 7. So that temperature is between 0 degrees and 10 degrees Fahrenheit. So any plants listed in that zone will do well in that temperature range. So to help you understand about all these numbers, think about Alaska. Alaska is a zone 2, which is about minus 45 degrees. And if you think about the tropical end of it, it's going to be a bigger number like zone 10, and that would be San Diego. And remember, there's zones within zones. So the Willamette Valley might be a zone 7, but urban areas of Portland might be a zone 8 and much warmer. These zone temperatures are an average taken over 30 years. So a plant that is listed as a zone 7 may not survive if it's a very cold winter. So remember, a zone just refers to a temperature range that a plant will survive. And if you want to find out what zone you are in, please go to gardentime.tv and we'll click you over to the USDA map.